subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. Turn on post notifications and give us a big thumbs up. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make slime. So what you want to do is get this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but what I do is get that. And on the back, you can use it for any slime. All you need is this. And as you see, guys, I already been making a little slime. It's actually turning out as slime, and I got the clear silver gold slime. All you need is this. It will turn right into slime. Let me show you guys. Look. Let's get in about 20 likes on this video. Gotta wait for it to soak in a little bit. This is really hard to do. Why I'm doing this. Oh yeah, guys. Look at it, guys. Yo. Yeah. Okay, guys. This video, I think, is going to be a little short. Okay, I got an idea, guys. Let me add a little boy there. Cheetos. Cheetos. Let me mix it, guys.